Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. So here in this video we'll see how you'll be able to do your branding guidelines change here on the Moodle Cloud. Okay, so you see here I don't have any custom domain. So I am just using just a subdomain of the Moodle Cloud. And here I have added the logo, branding, color you see here, the background on the login page you see here. So everything I have done by myself. So let's see. So the first question answer is yes. You will be able to do your homepage customization, your logo you can upload, the banner you can upload, the homepage background you can upload, and you can do lots of things. Yes, of course the limitations are here, but the many things can be covered here. Okay, let's see how you'll be able to update this logo and the color combination here. So if I log in here, uh, so you see here I have adjusted here a different color because this is not the default color you see here on the top header. Okay, so I have modified this as per my requirement. So under site administration you will see here option to under appearances you find logo. Okay, so logo you can upload from here. Correct, so logo, normal logo, the compact logo, and of course the fab icon I have not uploaded, so that is why it's a Moodle itself appearing as of now. And how the color combination thing will be able to change. So if you come to see here under additional HTML, you'll find here the option. So when body is open, so by default here within head you will not be able to put anything because this is disable over the Moodle Cloud. Okay, so if you come to see the default Moodle self-hosted, you'll find here under site administration, appearances, then under additional HTML, you see here will have here the option, you can put your CSS, JS, whatever you want to put here within the head. But here over the Moodle Cloud, it will be disabled. But that will not be restricting you to add your color branding thing here. So you can even do in when body is open. So this option they will provide, you can write your CSS or JS code here, and even before the body is closed you can also put here. Okay, so for this header label change, the color combination change, I have added here within when body is open. Correct, and even for the login page customization, the color combination you see here on the login page, I had updated there with that section only. Okay, so if I log in again here under site administration, I appearances, so additional HTML, so that the color combination change I have made over the login page I have added here within the when body is open itself. Okay, so you see here the page index card color I have changed to a different one. Correct, so like this I will have to write the CSS here. Clear? Now coming to how you'll be able to upload the home page background image. Okay, so the course and color combination you can also go for that. So like this you can modify, so you'll always have option here, you can modify that one. Then here the template you will be able to see, but this is disable because this is not something you'll be able to update. Under advanced theme setting, so here on the top menu you see here I have added some links. So here you will be able to add, so most of thing you will see it is controlled by configure to VSP and it is disabled on the Moodle Cloud. So here the menu items you will be able to add from yourself, right? And user menu even you will be able to adjust these items in case you have to add more or remove something, you can do here. Okay, so these two options we will have here. Again, I am going back to the appearances. Then dashboard, default profile, manage tags, additional HTML, templates, advanced setting, themes. Okay, so you can also go for this one. So that is all. So hopefully you'll be able to decide whether to go with this or not. And the login page, here you can see here the login background you'll find from here. You'll be able to update. So under boost, if you come, you'll see here these options will appear. Then under advanced setting, you'll also hear the options to write your own CSS. Got it? Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.